Hi, I'm Dr. Gautam. I'm working as a casualty medical officer over here. My role of job is to attend the casualty, the emergency department. We are the first line doctors in the hospital, those who come in the emergency purpose. So we treat the patient who comes emergency. We are 24/7 doctors. So we work as like that. After your 12th, 11th or 12th, you should pursue a certain mark to qualify for your NEET. You should do your NEET first after your 12th, 11th and 12th. NEET is a must for getting into a emergency field course. In a medical course, in NEET certain amount of marks you should get. It must be around in a 20,000 rank mark something. In NEET it can be categorized in the state wise also. The state wise department in the states, right off in the states, they categorize used to the state marks. First they will see according to the state marks and they will compare it with the NEET marks, and by that you can get into a government college of any state. It's the process by getting through in a medical field to attain a MBBS course. Post MBBS you can pursue any type of branches. There are many branches post MBBS. You can become a surgeon or an orthopedician or a general medicine course. For that you should again write a NEET. It is a NEET PG course. So in the NEET PG course there are many specialities that you can obtain. Right off I'm a CMO or a casualty medical officer. For that you can prepare for MRCOM or MEM. Those two courses are right off now valid in India. The again future it might change and the MEM can be invalid. In India right off you have MD emergency medicine, so you can do MD emergency medicine. For doing an MD emergency medicine you should have a NEET PG, so you should be clearing a NEET PG for a certain amount of marks, so you can pursue a MD emergency medicine. While starting off your career, your salary will be around 35 to 38k. So it depends upon the institute or hospital wherever you work, so it progress over a year. But in some hospitals they will be giving around 50, but 50 is the peak point of MBBS graduate salary. Yeah, it can vary. After a long year, it might take around 10 to 12 years of gap. If you are working as a casualty medical officer for 10 to 12 years, because of your experience, your salary grade may go up to 65 or 70. That's it, stops around that. You will be working as an intensive ICU doctor, so it might become little bit up over there. For becoming a casualty CMO, you should have some skills like ACLS, BCLS, advanced cardiovascular life support, and the basic cardiovascular life support. Those are the basic things you should attain, and you should have a skill on intubation, everything like that. You should be strong on your foundation, and the basic MBBS degree can withhold with a casualty medical officer. So after MBBS you will be working in a 12 months internship period of 365 days. So you will be trained according to that, so you need not to worry about it. So you will be capable to handle a casualty. After MBBS, if you are comfortable in putting your own clinic and practicing, it is fine. If you are that much skillful enough, you can open your own clinic and put up your clinic and you can practice in it. So it doesn't matter wherever you work, you just treat a patient. It's that important. You should be little attendable to a patient. You should be more communicable and more empathetic towards the patient. You can have that. If you want to develop on your own self, you should have a little bit empathy towards the patient. That's a more prioritized thing in a doctor. Right off now in the medical field, everything has been changing over a period. It was while I'm studying my 12th and getting into MBBS degree, it was like okay, this degree has some purpose to do it. But right off now it become like an engineer course, because there are more number of colleges, more number of doctors coming out of it. There are more competition in it, but there are less seats and everything is little bit saturated over here. Total growth in it, you can see a fast growth in it. Think about it before joining. In India, our target is like for 1,000 doctors, 1,000 patients, there should be a one doctor. It is the main communicable thing we are searching to attain. But right off in the space we are going, it will be in a 2 to 3 years gap. Might be in 10 years we'll be there. but MBBS doctors will be more, but there will be less PG doctors, there will be less super specialty doctors in India. So comparatively, in an MBBS degree, there will be around 1.5 to 2 lakhs doctors passing from us per year. But in a PG course, PG doctor, there will be around 40,000 only doctors. There will be 40 to 80,000 doctors only will be eligible to attain a PG. So other 60% of the 60,000 doctors will be remaining in the home with their MBBS degree. So post MBBS, right of now, in the mindset of people, it happened to be mandatory. There should be a PG degree post MBBS, but it depends upon your mindset. Thank you for watching this, guys.